Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: battery, Bluetooth, and the companion app. First, open the app on your phone and tap Start Pairing. The phone searches for nearby devices. Make sure your watch displays a pairing code or a prompt. Once you see the model name on your phone, tap it to begin. You do this because the app negotiates settings and services, so starting here links device ID and permissions. If a code appears, verify it matches on both screens before confirming. After initial pairing, you'll authorize permissions so the watch can sync data and push notifications. Grant Bluetooth and location first, then notifications and contacts. Next, sign into the watch account or Google/Apple ID to enable backups and app installs. Once done, choose what to sync: health metrics, calendar, music, and app data, which determines battery and data use. Make sure to enable auto-sync for continuous updates. This configuration step ensures the watch acts as an extension of your phone, not a separate device. To finish, verify the watch appears in the companion app as connected and check that notifications route properly. Open a message to confirm. Install any firmware updates on the watch, then reboot both devices to stabilize connections. Once done, tailor quick settings like Do Not Disturb and wrist gestures. If the watch doesn't sync or disconnects frequently, try the troubleshooting trick. Toggle Bluetooth, force restart both devices, then remove and re-add.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.